Hello, my name is Tom Chacon. I'm a realtor, and I'm going to be showing you 3 houses here in Menifee. They're new builds, Richmond American homes. So we're going to go ahead and show you the 1, 2, and 3 model. And so I'm looking really forward to seeing you look at the channel, going through the whole video. You can subscribe to my channel, Moving to the Inland Empire, California. And my name is Tom Chacon, and I am a realtor. Let's go ahead and start looking at these houses. Come on and follow me. Hey, welcome back. So what I'm going to be showing you first is the Northcross home. So let's go ahead and go in it. We're rolling, so let's go ahead and walk in this door and show you this beautiful home. These are detached condos, by the way. As we walk into the way, you can see towards here, there's a walkway to the upper loft area, and down here is to the kitchen and to the living room. Notice the nice paintings and stuff, nice walls straight up as high as you can go. That is beautiful, all the lighting here. And here you have a nice little living room here. You have your TV over this way. Here you have your dining room, a low maintenance backyard and courtyard there with the array of a really nice kitchen, just perfectly situated where it's really perfect. As you can see right here, you have your electric range ovens, filtering up and out so it doesn't smoke you out. Brand new appliances. Cupboardry is beautiful. And as you look through here, this is the little courtyard. This is going to be 114 homes, 15 homes here. We're just getting started. Looking this way, back towards the TV, there's all your whole dining room from your kitchen look. So you're kind of blending in both. The fan there, it's just a perfect size. And I'm gonna be putting in the description, the size of the house, the model. And if you're looking to move out to the Inland Empire, California, this is in Menifee, California here. Moving to the Inland Empire, California is my YouTube channel. Tom Chacon, your realtor. Okay, great. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna come through this nice hallway and up this nice stairway up here. As we come along, I'm gonna give you a nice shot of the stairway, so come on. Looking at me up here, you have what you have as a little loft, little place to watch TV. Also a view of, there's a swimming pool gonna be, community pool gonna be out here to the left, and that's gonna be the clubhouse. You can be the first ones to move out here, by the way. So come on this way. We're looking at the washer and dryer set up here. And then we have the restroom right here. And then you have the first bedroom right here. Beautiful. Coming over here to got the second bedroom. Then as you come down this hallway, you have the master room with the master closet. The master bed with views out to the mountains over here. The master bathroom with the nice walk-in shower, nice tiled floor. You really get all the upgraded features with these new homes. So once again, my name is Tom Chacon. I am a realtor. Subscribe to my channel, Moving to the Inland Empire, California, for more videos in the areas all throughout the Inland Empire. So let's go to the next house. Okay, you guys, we're gonna show you the second home. And these homes are luxury detached condominiums. So we're gonna go and show you the Norbury home here. So in the description, I'm gonna write you what the size is, the bathrooms, the footage, and how much it is, just like we're gonna do on the last house. And the one we're gonna show you over here to this side, we're gonna also show you that house after we show you this. Come on, let's go inside this one, come on. Okay, you guys, here we are at the Norbury home. Let's go inside and check this out. Oh, wow. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna come right in here and you're gonna go to the bottom floor restroom or the guest restroom. Then as we come over to this way, we have our living room just like we did on the last house with the dining room. It looks a little bit bigger, but this deceiving. They're all about the same size with all the paintings and the features. It's all modeled like for a model home. So, you can get them, just take a cookie cutter looking stuff and just duplicate it. So here we have the island right here. Notice this beautiful island with the marble. And then you have these lights, fixtures up here, the tall ceilings with the curtain up there. All this right here is beautiful. Electric, all goes up. You have a little courtyard back here. And as you come this way, you have your sink away from things. So then as you come right here and you got this view this way, you have your dining room, your gas, your cooking, your guests are there. It's really a nice little setup. And then the garage way, that door for the garage, of course, is right over here. My name is Tom Chacon. I am a realtor, and you can get more videos like this. Moving to the Inland Empire, California is my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, share. Let me know how I'm doing. Let's go up to the top floor. All right, you guys, now we're coming up to the second floor. Check this out, oh my. When you look at this, look how high this is with you got your paintings, your pictures. This is amazing. Look at those high ceilings up here, it's crazy. Oh, nice, very nice. So coming up, the first room you're gonna come to and by the way, I'm gonna put in the description all the rooms, the footage, how much it is. Over here, we're gonna go straight across to the main master. As you're coming through here, you see the closet. Now as you turn around, you're seeing the bed. Master suite restroom. Like the other one, it's a full walk-in shower, restroom, cabinetry. Looking this way, look at this. They really know how to do this up. Beautiful. Little peekaboo views right here looking out. These are detached luxury condos here in Menifee, California. Let's go ahead and continue the tour here. Looking one more time. And then walking through here, you can picture yourself just walking through here, seeing another top bathroom up here for the 2 bedrooms. Actually, there's 3, there's 2. And then coming to the last bedroom, these rooms are actually pretty good size. And looking out the back, which is gonna be the swimming pool that's gonna be built in the clubhouse. That's where everybody's gonna be able to enjoy the summers out here, where it gets a little warm out here in Menifee. But yeah, it's looking really good. So if you're looking to move to the Inland Empire, California, my name is Tom Chacon. I am a realtor. And my YouTube channel is moving to the Inland Empire, California, where you can get more videos, subscribe. Tell me what you think about these houses. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go to the next house. Okay, we're at our third condo here, luxury condo here in Menifee, California. And what we're gonna do is go into the side of this house this time, okay? Back there is where the garages are. So here we are. The Northrop is this model, and all these high doors that we have here. Watch your step. On this model, we come right into the living room, looking into the kitchen. Can you see yourself coming home from work or just relaxing, having guests over, looking into the kitchen? Some of these features right here, these hanging down lights, with the lights, offset lights, looking into your countertops, the islands. We're having over here your dining room table. Looking back over here to this corner, all the cabinetry. Nice little decorations here. Your cabinetry comes up like this with your stove. All the stuff goes up. And a small little courtyard here where you can just kick back, have a little pet. So let's go ahead and continue the little walk through here. And what we're doing is we're walking to this hallway here, and I'm gonna go ahead and lead you to the hallway and show you that you have a little bathroom in here, okay? So this would be the guest, and pretty good sized little guest bathroom. I mean, I'm standing right here and there's plenty of room, little peekaboo. And then walking back out here, you're few steps back into your main living. Not bad at all. And then we're gonna take it from there. Go ahead. All these houses are pretty tall with the ceilings up here with the decorations. To the right here, we have our main bedroom. If you're looking to move to Menifee, California, give me a call. My name is Tom. I am a realtor. My YouTube channel is moving to the Inland Empire, California. You can subscribe, like, share. Let me know how you're liking this. Give me a call. We can show you all the communities that we have here. So moving along, we're gonna go ahead and go through and show you the whole bathroom setup over here. And as you're coming back, you're seeing what it looks like when you come into your main living quarters, looking at the outside with these beautiful windows and fan and ceilings, everything that these new homes offer. They're really nice. And so we're gonna come on down here. This here's the laundry. Upstairs laundry is great. You don't have to tote all your stuff from downstairs back up to your closets up here. So come on over here. We're gonna go ahead and show you this bedroom. We will have in the description all the houses, what the bedrooms are, the square footage, and show you exactly what it costs too at this point. Sometimes these phases go up too, so keep that in mind. So as we keep coming along, we have another bedroom once you get out of this one to the right. And once again, you know, looking straight out the bedroom window on this particular model, you're looking at the swimming pool and the clubhouse that they're going to be having out here. This is all a new build, by the way. 114 homes, I believe he said. And as you come out of this room, you have the bathroom. And then to the left, we have another bedroom to show you. Looking out towards the mountains view on this one, look at the mountains way out there. That's one thing nice about Menifee. You're an hour from the beach, an hour from the mountains, an hour from LA, an hour from San Diego, an hour from Palm Springs. You're right smack in the middle of all the excitement here. So if you're thinking about moving to California, check out Menifee. Check out my YouTube channel, Moving to the Inland Empire, California. My name is Tom Chacon. I am a realtor. And this will conclude this tour. Give me a call. Let me know how I'm doing. Thank you so much.